My name is Leo, and I've been driving with Uber for around about 7 years now. What attracted me to driving with Uber was essentially the flexibility. That was the main thing, and also something that worked with in terms of seeing my children. At times that was convenient for us as a family, and I love driving. So because I love driving, I love cars, I love people, the combination of all of those was a winner. For me, driving an EV, you know what, it's been a game changer, because the thing was is that I had a car before this that I owned. There was a hybrid, and I was spending around about 1,600 a month just on fuel alone. And the fact that I've got a situation now where even with the finance of this vehicle and the electric that I use, I'm still saving about £400 a month. So for me, it's been an absolute game changer. Uber were really supportive in terms of making the switch to EV. The main thing that was beneficial is that they have a clean air fund that was put in place many years ago, and through that I recruited around about £7,500 I could use towards either a rent-to-buy scheme or the purchase of my vehicle outright, and it saves on my weekly and monthly costs like significantly. So that's been really beneficial for me. You may have heard of Uber Green, and one of the beneficial things about Uber Green for us as drivers is that we get more money from the trip. It's an option that's on the app for the consumer, where they can, if they want to be environmentally friendly, they can just tap the green. It's exactly the same price as it is for an Uber X. And people who love getting in the car, so when they get into your car, they're like, oh, your car's cool, you know, look at it now, look at the screen, look at this, look at that. But ultimately, I think the customer wins and I win.